Hello everyone, and welcome to video 2, Design Topology of UCC 21520 Simulations. In this video, we will examine the TINA simulations that we have conducted of the previous topologies. First, we will examine the Bootstrap Schematic, which was shown here and discussed previously. As described, here's our Bootstrap simulation on TINA. Here we can see all the needed values that we have chosen to be able to get V out of 200 volts. As mentioned in another video, here's our buck converter. These values were chosen to allow us to have a voltage out of 200 volts with a voltage in of 500 volts. These have also been mentioned in a prior video, which can be found on our YouTube channel. Now, we will move on to show the dual power supplies. As a reminder, here's our dual power supply schematic. As you will shortly see, this is relatively easy to implement in a simulation. As shown, here we see our dual power supplies. These values were chosen using the data sheet to give us a voltage out of 200 volts. Please note that these voltages can be changed depending on the needs of your V out and your voltage rail. Next, we will show the Zener Diode. As mentioned in the previous video, here's the negative bias with Zener diodes on isobias power supply. This will now be implemented on TINA, as the other schematics have been done. Here is a simulation on TINA. As you can see, all the values were chosen using the datasheet and what we need for a voltage out of 200. We will now simulate this to show you the results. If you have forgotten, click on Analysis, click on Transient, and enter the following. Run it, and you should be able to see the following results appear. From here, we can determine that we roughly get around 200 volts out, and we can also see that our out A and our out B are synchronous, as one is on and one is off at different times. This concludes our simulations. Thank you for watching.